All right, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm going to teach you how to zoom in using iMovie. This is on the desktop version. I have another version showing you how to do this on your phone. You can click on the link in the description or the link in the video and go check that out. Also, if you haven't learned how to do basic iMovie editing, check out my other iMovie tutorials in order to do that. But this is a really simple feature in iMovie. Select the clip that you'd like to zoom in on. And let's say, for instance, it starts out like this, and then partway through I want to zoom in on my face, my beautiful face. Okay, so I'm going to right-click or control-click, choose split the clip. That'll make it into two clips. And then I have two clips. The second clip's the one I'm going to move in or zoom in on. To do that, I use this tool right here. It's the crop tool. I click on that, and I choose crop to fill, and I'll make this little box. And I can zoom in as much as I want, and I can move it over the part. Say I want to move in right here on my beautiful face. And there you have it. Click enter. Okay, now that clip has zoomed in on my face, so it'll play like this, zoomed out. And then when it gets to that clip, it'll cut and zoom in on my face. Okay, my computer is lagging right now as I record this, but that's how you zoom in using iMovie on the desktop version of iMovie. For more tips and tricks on how to edit videos, subscribe to Teach Mom How.